Hello guys, this is Gulshan Sharma and I am back again with my fourth video on Python programming. In the last video we talked about strings, so we'll discuss more about strings here in this video too, just to ensure that we complete our discussion. So first we'll talk today about the escape sequences. So what are escape sequences? Escape sequences are actually sequences of bit combinations, special bit combinations, which can do wonders in your program. Not actually wonders, but yeah, they are quite helpful. Like here I have written SMI backslash n a boy. I am backslash n a boy. So that means here the backslash n here, it's an escape sequence. So it actually adds a new line character. It actually adds a new line character to our code. See, this is the escape sequence backslash n, and when you print s, when you print s, it doesn't print I am a boy, but it prints I am, then backslash n does it works, and a new line is created here, a boy, and I am comes in first line and a boy comes in second line. So if you and now our topic is raw strings suppress escapes. So to suppress this escape, we just gotta do one thing. When we create a string, just put r in front of it. This r stands for raw, and it tells Python that just take whatever I'm inserting it, don't use your mind, and just print it as the way as it is. So this is what Python does, and it doesn't bother us anymore, and it just does I am backslash n a boy, and all the print escapes are suppressed by this way. There are many escapes like this, like backslash t, this is for a tab, then backslash a, it rings a bell. So this is how it goes. Second, we'll talk about the basic operations on strings. First is length. Yes, so we have a string here that's s, and we can find its length by simply calling this inbuilt function len s, and this gives us 14. 14 is the length of the string, the number of characters in it. So len gives us the length of the string. This is the basic operation. High and another basic operation that we can do is, like, we know s is I am a boy. Let me just do this correctly. I am a boy. We know we have s equal to this, and we can just do this s multiplied by 8, and it prints I am a boy, I am a boy, it prints s 8 times. So this is one handy thing that we can do in Python, and this is one of the concepts of, it's like an operator overloading concept, polymorphism, that wherever this operator will work in as applied, it would work in the situations accordingly. If it's applied with the string, then it would do this. If it does this concatenation thing, and if it's applied with the integers, then it does the multiplication thing. So here we can do this, and it's quite a handy thing to do. We can do it 88 times, and I don't think anyone can type it 88 times like this. We can do it 888 times. We can do it 888. So many it's time. Just got carried away. Sorry, just got a bit carried away here. So I love it actually. See, I'm a boy. Wow. Here s equal to spam. So in the last video we talked about indexing and slicing. So there's one more thing that we can do in indexing and slicing. First, let me just tell you once again what we used to do in slicing. This is indexing. S2 is a, S1 we can just find out the particular character in it. So slice was more about taking a slice out of it. So 1 4, and we took a slice, bam. But we can add one more argument here which tells the 4 2, and we took P and we took then M. So this 2 is actually an offset. It tells that this is the difference that I want between the characters that I am taking. So first you took the first character, S0 is S, S1 is P, so it took P. Then it didn't take 3 because we had a difference of 2, and then it took, sorry, it didn't took 2, it took 3, so it took P and M. So S142, and you can just do it like this too. If you want to print your string in the backward direction, in the reverse direction, then just put -1 like this, and oh sorry, I just took, sorry, S -1, and here it goes. Maps, it's the reverse of spam. Just wow, it makes sense too. Reverse also makes sense. Then we will talk about open RC. It's actually the same thing. This R, this suppresses this \t escape. We'll talk more about it when we go on to files. I won't bother you right now with this. We'll talk more about it when we discuss about the object types files. Backslashes are used to introduce spatial byte codings known as escape sequences that we just talked about before. Triple quotes code multi-line block strings. Yeah, this one is important. So if you wanna code in till now we have just made strings like spam, this, that, very small ones. We didn't bothered about multi-line. So let's do some multi-line thing here. But if we wanna make multi-line strings, we can just take triple quotes, type anything you want. Then we just do enter. My name is enter Gulshan Sharma and whatever. So this here, this ends. I know this string doesn't make a lot of sense, but still this is what we have here. So triple quotes, we took triple quotes and we made a multi-line string, so we can just go and print it like this. What it actually does is, when we make multi-line strings like this with using 3 triple quotes, sorry, 3 and triple not use when we use triple quotes, so actually it adds multi-lines wherever it meets the multi-line. It adds \n escape sequence whenever it meets a new line. So this is how it works. So if you guys need to have multi-line strings, then this thing is handy. You can just use triple quotes and it would just go like that. For C in my job, yeah, this is one of the awesome thing that I love in Python. You have got a special test in this test, so very easy to use. You can just go like, if I wanna find if A contains the name Gulshan or not, so you just gotta do this Gulshan in A. It returns true. That means yes, Gulshan is in A. So this string, yes, it does contain Gulshan, so that's great. Gulshan in A, hi in A. Yeah, true, that's true. We have I in A too. Do we have Python in this string? Let's check that out. Python in A. False. No, we don't have Python in A, so that's awesome. It's a very handy test. It's very easy test, so it's awesome. You can just go make programs. It helps a lot. You would appreciate it when you make programs yourself. It's awesome. For seeing this and this, so it can also do this, like for C in A. C would be considered for C in A, print C. Don't bother about the for statement here. I would introduce it to you later, so don't bother about the syntax. Just try to get the feel. For C in A, print C. Whenever you have C would play the role of every character. It would iterate over each character. First C would be H, then it would be I. In next iteration it would be a space, then it would be M, and when you just print the statement, it prints it like this, H I M Y. So this is how it works also. Then this is built-in function known as ORD. We all know that whenever we type a character, it is actually read as an ASCII character by a computer. So we have a built-in function ORD, which takes the string, which takes your character, and it would output you its ASCII value ORD. The ASCII value of A, let's see what's the ASCII value of A, 97, and that's correct. So you can just use it ORD. This is the basic functionalities that we have in strings here. Character 115. So CHR is also one of the built-in functions. It's just the opposite of ORD. So it takes the integer and it gives you the character which it points out. Then we have s.replace line.rstrip. Actually, let me see, this video is going longer, it's taking longer, so we'll talk more about strings in the next video, and it's enough, I guess. It's a lot to take in one video, so you guys just do it yourself, keep doing it, revise, and yes, like, comment, subscribe to my videos, to my channel, and that would be awesome. Thank you guys. This is Gulshan Sharma.